This is Deepak from TechPex Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to demonstrate you one of the research topic that is for the financial services, that is credit card fraud detection. Might be you are aware about the things. By using the data sets we can train any of the system, that is machine learning algorithm, and can use it for the prediction and for detection of any of the thing. So here we have used the machine learning algorithm for detecting the credit card fraud. The dataset is taken from the Kaggle. You can even search it from the internet, that credit card fraud detection fraud dataset Kaggle. So when I'm going to click on this, you can see there is a dataset available which can be used for the access, and in most of the research paper this is taken as a reference. So the content is given over there with the 30 columns, 31 columns, and these features are basically over there, and at the end of the column it is given that whether the user is fraud or not in the form of the 0 and 1. You need to create one account on the Kaggle and you can download this particular dataset. So what we have done in the MATLAB, we have designed this code by using that dataset and read it, and later on an algorithm is used for the classification. In this we have used advanced feature extraction technique, which is analyzing the pattern of the dataset and show it to the system. As the dataset is very much lengthy in the count, I am also going to show you that dataset. I've already shown on the internet. So you can see there are total number of entries over there. So the description of the dataset is given in the same file. So it is around 26 or 20, it is approximately in thousands the count is. So if I'm going to run this particular code for the whole sheet, then it will take too much time and video will be extended. So I will show you in the short. In this we have used the advanced feature extraction technique as the initial dataset that is provided by the user, that is a PCA features. So we have clubbed the features and used the classification algorithm with the machine learning approach, and at the end the detection rate is done by using the test function. So the final result are shown in the form of the accuracy, precision and recall. The classifier that we have used is the NeuroFuzzy, that is ANFIZ. So I'm showing you the result that we have achieved with varying the training samples. So 10%, 15%, 20%, 25% and so on. So as the training samples are going to be increased, the accuracy you can see that is also going to be increased. Similarly for the precision one, you can see for the precision it is also the same. As the training percentage of the samples is going to be increased, the output is also increasing. We have also done the comparison with the results with the previous algorithms and shown that this technology is advanced and going to give you better accuracy for the credit card fraud detection. These systems can be used in the real time also by getting the trained network, and as the accuracy is very much good, so it can easily detect the frauds, right? So for more details you can visit to our website, that is www.techpex.com, and even you can get more ideas in this research work. Even modification is also possible for the same topic. Thanks for watching the video.